MIUI Smart Band 4 from Xiaomi. My name is Andrew, of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this product that everyone talks and wants this product. Let's see some specs. 5-atom water resistant, various exercise modes, heart rate monitor, color touchscreen, notification display, sleep and step auto monitoring, color touchscreen, 5-atom water resistant, message view, 20 days battery life. That's nice. Now let's see what we have inside. Nice packets. First look, we have the watch, the charger, and here we've got some manuals if you want to read it. Let's see what we have here. It says pair first. Well, we are going to do that. Feels nice to my hand. Now to pair with this device we need to download the app. The app is the MIUI Fit. After downloaded, sign in if you've got an account, sign up if you don't have. We can see the process. Hello. Let's turn on the Bluetooth and make the pair for the first time. Band. Pair the phone, check, pair it successful. We have the time, storing band settings, multiple sports exports, updating firmware. We already have a firmware. Update successfully, reboot band successfully, connect to the My Band to update again. Update sources, keep the band, okay. Update successfully. Now let's see some settings what we can do with this MIUI band. Now band display, you can see some themes here for your display. Unlock screen, smart lock, we don't need that. Incoming calls, allow access, allow. Great upon incoming calls. Make the okay, got it. Allowing that. And go to contact, allow. Nice. Event reminder, if you want to put a reminder. Alarm, again the alarm. App alerts, Fit, allow. Got it. Ideal alert. Band will vibrate if inactivity lasts for 1 hour. Okay, that's nice. More. Find band. There it is. Discoverable. Turn on to be visible to near devices. We don't need that. Band location. Left. Okay. Lift wrist to view info. All day. Sensitive. Lift wrist. Okay. Heart rate detection. Automatic heart rate detection. Sleep assist. Automatic heart rate detection. Here. Okay. Detection frequency 10 minutes. When the band detects that you are doing exercise, it will automatically increase the detection. That's nice. When the alert value is reached, there is no obvious activity in the last 10 minutes, the band will vibrate. Don't want that. Night mode, if you want to change night mode. Find phone ringtones. That's nice. Run in background. Check the settings if Bluetooth isn't working properly. Display settings. You can choose how the setting it will appear to your Mi Band. We'll see later that. Weather settings, Celsius, lab, band lock. Fastening the band to tight or to loose will affect the detection accuracy. Okay. Pair restrictions. If you want to pair the device with other apps, turn off this feature. Nice. Check for updates. We already done that. Firmware is that. Bluetooth and the on pair. Now we can see walking, running, cycling. We have a variable of menus. That's nice. Friends, profile. You can adjust your profile. Oh, that's nice to control from your smartphone. The Mi Band. Let's see. The beam on here. More. DNAT is off. Alarm, you can put the alarm from here. Music. Stopwatch. Flag it. Pause. And now, yeah. Timer, find device. Silent, band display. Settings. Brightness, increase brightness. It's nice. When you push the menu button, it goes to the last screen before lock screen. Rebooting, factory reset. Regulatory. About the version, etc., etc. That's nice. Let's wear it to see how it looks in my hand. Here is the sensor. You can see the green as blinking. They are trying to find my wrist to measure the heartbeat. And here it is into my hand. It feels very nice. No notification. Workout. Heart rate. And you can count your heart rate. status, distance, etc, etc. It feels very nice, very beautiful screen, I can say. I like it. Now for charging the Miuri band, you got this, but unfortunately the frustrating thing of all this is you need to take out the band from here. To do that, just push it gently and it will pop up. Then you can see these two metal, it goes here and then connect it to your USB port wherever you want, there's no problem. And then after charging you can take it again out and install it. Again, and then wear it to your hand. It clicks very easy. Just pull that and with that pin and you're good to go. You can find a varieties of color of this band. Definitely you will find something that is suitable to you. And doing that, you can open your band, or of course if it closes you can touch it into the screen and it will turn on. Well guys, the frustrating thing is only for me the battery, the charging of the battery. Of course it lasts too long and maybe you will do that 1 or 2 times in a month. I will see how it goes with that. I will test it every day and I will leave down to the description my thoughts. And it cost only 26 to 27 euro. I purchased this on a discount. This is the international version. That's nice. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Say your thoughts down below to the comments if you like this Mi Band 4 from Xiaomi, if this changing from the 3 to 4 is good or not. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.